Hello everyone, it's Ollie from Lloyd Select here, just doing a video running around our GLA 35 we've got here at the Lloyd Blackpool branch. Just going to give you a tour of the vehicle just so you can see it from every angle. Really striking, cool vehicle. Finished off in the black. You've got your darkened rear glass to the rear just to finish it off. Some nice cut chrome detailing, loads of cool features on here. Really cool AMG look from the back, but it's little pocket rocket. If I just open up the boot for you so you can check out the space in the back, so we've got a really generous boot in the back of here, Mercedes liner in there as well. I'm just going to shut that and then jump inside. Rear spoiler at the back as well, making it look nice and sporty. But all our vehicles come to prepped to a really high standard here. We put it through something called an approved use check. And that way we can stick our 12 months warranty on it, and roadside assistance. Panoramic sunroof above here, so really great feature during summer. That's in plenty of fresh air and brightens up your cabin. If I turn, everyone's already on already. Have a look to the left, we've got electric memory seating, heated seats as well. Built-in navigation, which is just in the center here. Having a look down here, you've got some space to charge your phone up and then stick your phone out of the way, just out of sight. And then having a look at your steering wheel, you've got the Mercedes leather. It's an AMG flat bottom. You've also got your line in the top there so you can see exactly where you're steering. Flappy paddles on here as well. And then if I just turn everyone into reverse, you'll notice you've got your reversing camera and front sense as well. So everything you could possibly want in your next vehicle, and it's obviously a lot of fun to drive as well. So if there's anything we can do to help, please feel free to get in touch, and we're more than happy to help. Thank you.